Guys, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and very big welcome to all. Today is 23rd of August 2025 and guys, recall guys. In this time there is a very biggest time to doing your work. Definitely your work, it means like remove corruption. Yes, remove corruption, it means like remove जड़ से करप्शन को रिमूव करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? प्रोटेस्ट. यस, प्रोटेस्ट. इसमें इट मीन्स 24 अगस्त 2025 ऑन न्यू दिल्ली रामलीला मैदान. यस, सो लेट्स गो all around all buddies guys. Yes, and guys, you know, this is most important guys, because in this time all government sector, I think 90 to 99%, yes, all government sector examination are fully corrupted. I mean 99% corrupted guys. Yes, i openly I openly challenge everybody to know about it. Yes, because this is true line. Yes, and everybody know about it guys. Let me one thing again. In this time there is only corruption in Indian government sector job. Yes, and what is the level? What is level? Its level. What is its level? You know, I think you know guys. I mean, if you search deeply, you investigate deeply, then definitely you get it result. You get a result like you feel like nor, आई मीन यू फील लाइक मन करेगा कि मतलब अच्छा से, मतलब कोई होता ना कि हाँ पूरा जी जान लगा के पढ़ रहा है, पूरा मतलब कि पूरा फुल्ली एक्टिवेटेड होकर पूरा कंसंट्रेट होकर सारा नॉलेज गेन कर रहा है. बट if you want to get government job, then in this time there is impossible. It means what? Corruption level is very peak level. Yes, in this time SSC, yes, railways, yes, definitely guys, definitely all state examination, definitely every know about it, everyone know about it. Yes, definitely guys, and you also know about it and you avoid it. Yes, in this time TikTok is come back, because China India relation is now good on average. But what is mentality level of our government? What? खुद का नहीं बनाएगा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म, चाइना वाला फिर से एक्टिवेट कर रहा है. यस, सो दिस इज मेंटेलिटी लेवल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर. if in this time we not take any action, then definitely after some time our future, our generation future, yes, then it means not only you, your generation impact on your generation, definitely. So stand up and let's go to New Delhi Ramlila Maidan on tomorrow, it means 24th of August 2025. Yes, and that is very biggest opportunity to create a biggest revolution on education sector. That is start time. Yes, so let me again this line. This is the time to start create a great biggest revolution. Yes, and education sector demand need it guys. Yes, in education system there is very peak level of corruption. Yes, and गाइस, ये सुन के आप लोग को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि हम लोग कभी इंडिया हैज़ करप्टन इज मैनी मोर बिगेस्ट नंबर. यस, आई मीन हम लोग करप्शन के नंबर में बहुत आगे आते हैं. यस, हमारा इंडिया. यस गाइस, so if in this time we not take any action, then definitely guys we lose our everything. Yes, ये नहीं करना है कि 2 GB नेट डेटा देता है तो 2 GB ख़त्म करना है, रील्स वगैरह देखना है, जो भी है वो अलग बात है. वो तो देता ही है गवर्नमेंट, जो जिससे कि वी आर ट्रैप ऑन सोशल मीडिया. यस, गवर्नमेंट नीड, आई मीन गवर्नमेंट चाहती है ये. यस, Indian government. Yes, definitely I openly challenge on our Indian government, because they not change in examination level. Yes, like this in this time, what is going on in this time. Yes, and tomorrow is Sunday, and definitely I am also share with you all what is going on our education level, education kranti level. Yes, definitely, and I again and again many more time, this is the time to create revolution. revolution. Yes guys, and I feel that moment for teachers who started this revolution. Yes, I feel that deeply because leadership is meant, I mean leadership is a very responsible work. Yes, responsible work. Like this I am also doing this type of work, not this type of like protest not, but work like leadership work in home. Yes, definitely leadership work like any work like yes, I feel it. I think you understand what I am saying. But guys, that is feel you lost your future. Yes, you lost your generation future. Yes, so open your eyes and just watch it, what is going on in this present time. Yes, not only government sector, also private sector, both sector. Yes, so in this time there is a create a biggest revolution on Indian education system. Yes, and we hit and break all corrupted by our protest. Yes, definitely. And I hope uh, you all do this because this is our responsible, this is our job, this is our work. Yes, and I am always here with you. Like this is my work, this is your work, this is everybody's work to change education system in India because India need biggest fresh and clean examination and education sector. Yes, definitely. And guys, education is the most important part of our life because education create a developed country. Yes, a develop, it means very biggest develop, like we hit all biggest economy like China's, USA's, and Germany, definitely everything guys. So this is the time to creating everything, it means everything, not only a protest, everything, it means in your life, in my life, in everybody's life. Yes, in generation, our generation life. Yes, definitely. So we think about it and do proper work with fully strategy. First work is tomorrow, is tomorrow will go all buddy, all everybody guys. Yes, so try to go there and create a biggest revolution on Indian economy, Indian education system. Yes, yes, and I hope you understand all line by line what I am saying. So, oh, no no more thing. That is not enough. Only thinking, but this is the time to doing, not only thinking. Think when you are mm, you are on देयर, आई मीन जब वहाँ पे पहुँच जाए दिल्ली, ठीक है ना, वहाँ बैठ के हम लोग को सोचना है, उससे पहले नहीं. यस, उससे पहले नहीं. यस गाइस, यस. एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग देयर बिकॉज आई एम हेयर एंड आई ट्राई ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर विद यू टुमारो डेफिनेटली. बट you near around New Delhi, so you go there definitely. My distance is largest around and around many more kilometers, and I definitely go there. But some reason, some personal reason, I had not gone there. Yes, but I tried to in my space, I mean मेरी जगह पे मैं उसको 10 से 12 आदमी, यस, अराउंड मोर देन 10%, मोर देन 100%, मोर देन 1000% मेरे जगह से वहाँ चल जाए, मेरे जगह पे वहाँ जाए. यस, आई ट्राई टू डू दिस. यस, so guys, please be understand what I am saying and do proper fully strategy by this. Yes, and revolution, what is revolution? It means change, biggest change, that is revolution. Yes, and definitely tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days, in 2 days, definitely change in biggest level in education system. I mean Indian education examination system. on government job, on sector, government job sector. Yes, definitely. And I hope you deeply understand it means corruption. Remove corruption, hit and break corruption. Yes, indian Indian government sector. Yes, yes, guys. Everything in your mind, everything in my mind, everything in everybody's mind. Yes. So try to understand it, and I hope you understand what I am saying. So today is 23rd of August and tomorrow is 24th of August, and in this month I think we are not proper work because we trap on it, guys. Yes, not only social medias, this is also trap. Like present time, I mean real time we waste. We not waste, they waste. I mean Indian education system, like SSC, railways, state examination, everybody's, guys, everything's, guys. Yes, and biggest level of scam on UPSC level, UPSC examination. Yes, definitely. I know, definitely. Yes. But we remove all corruption. We hit and break all corruption because we power. We are in India. We are in Indian. I mean Indian. We are Indian, and our Indian Constitution is right to do this. Yes. So that is great work to do this, and I hope you again understand everything. Yes, today I more repeat again and again times, guys. Definitely this is biggest time for create a biggest revolution. Yes. Okay, then see you tomorrow on next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद all of you guys, and see on, I mean go on New Delhi's Ramlila Maidan. Okay, then see you again in this session. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद all of you guys.